The way we decide which makeup step I'm taking today. So let's go. Foundation. Ooh, that looks dark. Okay, let's blend it. Okay. Concealer. We're not doing concealer. Okay, let's move on. Are we doing contour? Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Doing contour. So let's contour the face. Oh, blending immediately. And for the blush, no blush. Setting powder, setting powder. What? Ah, we use setting powder. We use that to bring it up. Maybe this will brighten the under eye. Our brows, our brows, our brows. Shucks. No brows, no brows. Okay, so let's move on. Are we doing eyeshadow or not? Or not? I wonder what I'm gonna look like. Okay, so it says let's do eyeshadow, so let's do eyeshadow. Let me go in with my eyeshadow primer first, because I will need a whole lot of eyeshadow on this eyes. We did nothing. I'm starting off with this purple here, right here. Since this color we didn't allow us to apply anything on the face, so I want the eye to stand out. So blending the eyeshadow since there's no eyebrows, so try and make that even more precise so that it could look very, very clean. Are we using liner? Fingers crossed. Oh, we're using liner. Yes, let's line. So I'm gonna be using this pencil liner, and then I want to use black. So what next? Lashes. Are we using lashes? Let's see. Okay, lashes. What? Oh god. I'm gonna use mascara since it says no lashes. So powder blush, let's see, please, 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 please. Sure. Let's move on. So lips. This one is fingers crossed. I'm really gonna get mad if it says no. So let's go. Lips. Yeah, doing it. Doing it. I'm gonna line with this. Let's line. I'm gonna go in with the shade first. So what about finishing powder? Are we using finishing powder or not? At this point, I'm calm. So let's see. Finishing powder. Let's see. Okay. At least I can use that to brighten my face a bit. Okay. So let's do the finishing powder. Oh, thank God for that finishing powder. So let's see about setting spray. Are we using setting spray or not? Let's see. No setting spray. Okay, that's good. We didn't do much anyway, so let's continue. The last thing, highlighter. Are we using highlighter or not? What are you telling us? Okay, we'll use highlighter. Let's go. So we're adding highlighter, just a little. I don't like highlighter. I don't like it. I don't know why this thing has to pick it. I don't like highlighter. The nose, let there be something shining. Then the bridge of the nose. Yep. And this is all we got. Is it a yes? Drop it in the comments.